Hello everyone, it's been a wonderful 10 days in North Macedonia, in Kosovo. I'm 20 kilometers from the Serbian border, and this is the forecast for the next 5 days. So I was very lucky. Last night I slept in one of these bus shelters. I managed to cook food, ride my bike for 15 minutes, and then this. So I have ridden in this weather before in Thailand, but it was a different style of travel altogether. As always, the people have been very welcoming, very friendly, and just a few moments ago a man stopped and asked me if I needed anything. So this has been the style for 10 days. And yeah, I think I put on an extra hat, sit down and read my book. As ever, a big hug. Hey, much love, Eric.